कंगना रनौत सिर्फ सिल्वर स्क्रीन की ही क्वीन नहीं, पर वो रैंप पर भी हैं फैशन डिजाइनर्स की हॉट फेवरेट। किस तरह करवाई कंगना ने हार्ट थ्रॉब और अपनी चार्मिंग अदाओं से बिखेरा जलवा। आई एम सिमी चंदोक और आज पेज 3 में है FTCI's विल्स लाइफस्टाइल इंडिया फैशन वीक ऑटम विंटर 2014 की स्पेशल हाइलाइट्स।
Namrata Joshipura ke extremely glamorous and stylish outfits made for a perfect grand finale for FTCI's Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week Autumn Winter 2014. Titled Electron, Namrata Joshipura की finale collection थी sci-fi से inspired.
I love the fact that she has kept my body and my style and my personality in mind.
I think there's a sync of the creativity of Namrata's design, futuristic design and effortless style, and of course the style sense and the substance of Kangana. So I think when two things come together of creativity, it really takes a big high.
Like Mr. Atul said, that her collection, her style is so much in sync with what I like. Look at her dress; she's wearing runners with that, and that too had like gold on it, you know. And I like that little quirkiness in her designs, and I think it's very today, and that's what I totally identify.
Here's Kangana. She's noticing what you're wearing and, you know, even the little details.
You know, it's incredible. As a designer, it's important. Whoever wears your clothes, they give life to your clothes. You know, till then they are clothes. And when she wears the gown, she gives it a life.
Kangana Ranaut, Shilpa Shetty, Neha Dhupia, Sohali Khan. Glamour fashion ka tha talmel zabardast, and designers were their best at FTCI's Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week Autumn Winter 2014. Time now to check out the best of the entire Fashion Week.
तरुण तहलियानी ने नहीं किया डिसअपॉइंट विद अ कंप्लीट राजल डाजल। उनकी कलरफुल कलेक्शन कर रही थी रैंप पर सिजल। शिल्पा शेट्टी ने तरुण के डिजाइन कांजीवरम लहंगे को बना दिया और भी खूबसूरत। फियामा डिविल्स प्रेजेंटेड पंकज एंड निधि, जिनका शो भी हुआ खूब अप्रिशिएट। Twinings presented Abraham and Thakur, जिन्होंने शोकेस किए many shades of khaki। एक बार फिर FDCI's Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week Autumn Winter 2014 में देखने को मिले maxi skirts, lots of blacks, whites and leopard prints। सोहा अली खान पहुंची एट FDCI's Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week Autumn Winter 2014 में, जहां वो नजर आई एक रिलैक्सिंग फुट मसाज को एंजॉय करती हुई। बट सोहा wasn't here just for this। सोहा यहाँ पहुंची थी द डेब्यू के विनर डिजाइनर्स की अनाउंसमेंट करने के लिए। सोहा also shared her views about this।
मैं फैशन वीक के लिए आती हूँ तो I work for some designer or the other, but this is the first time where I'm actually presenting an award Wills की तरफ से for the debut fashionist designer.
Neha, Sunil has just given you his heart, and he gives it to a new lady every season. Yes. That doesn't make him a flirt, don't you think?
No, no, not at all. And also this heart is battery operated and the battery lasts for another 15 minutes. So he'll be forgotten after that.
Wow.
15 minutes is good enough for having my heart.
With Mr. Sethi, I don't think that he's the kind of man you can forget. With the kind of shows that the two of them put up, it's just fantastic. And I'm such a fashion lover and such a, if I'm allowed to say this myself, I'm a clothes whore. So, you know, I would do anything to look good in great clothes. And this is the place to be, Will's Lifestyle.
There's more rates and more style coming up on FDCI's Will's Lifestyle India Fashion Week Autumn Winter 2014 special. So stay tuned. For the head turner of the week, and it's none other than Kangana Ranaut. एक छोटे से oops moment को उन्होंने बना दिया a wow moment. कंगना के गाउन का हेमलाइन कर रहा था उन्हें परेशान, पर वो अपना मैजिक बिखेरती रही रैंप पर विद ऐलान. And now some glam shots from the well-heeled, popular socialite and fashionista Tanisha Mohan ke shoes are worth a look. Right now we have with us Tanisha Mohan. Hi Tanisha.
Hi Simi, how are you? Welcome to Delhi.
Thank you. And जब भी तनिषा मुझे यहाँ मिलती हैं, हम हमेशा सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ की बात करते हैं. And I will request the cameras right to go to her shoes again.
I know last time also आपने सिर्फ जूतों की बात करी थी. I remember that. Can I tell you, Simi, they are so comfortable because look at the platform they have. So actually, if you take these out, they're only 3 inches from the back.
How many inches are these?
These should be about 8.5 inches. Actually, the story behind these shoes, I was just in Bangkok with my kids for a holiday, and neons are going to be very hot this season. They're already very hot. And I saw these shoes, and I said, wow. Then I said, no. Then I said, wow. Then my daughter said, Mom, just pick them up. I said, let me try them on. Let me see how it is. I wore them, and I could actually walk in them.
So that's the way to go. It's only style all the way with Tanisha. Thank you so much for talking to us at Zoom.
Thank you so much, Simi, and all the best. Thank you.
और अब वक्त है हमारे पेज 3 स्पेशल के ऑड शॉट ऑफ द वीक का. ऑड शॉट का टाइटल जाता है डिजाइनर्स वेंडल रॉड्रिक्स एंड राहुल मिश्रा को.
फैशन डिजाइनर्स वेंडल रॉड्रिक्स और राहुल मिश्रा ने किया है सबको प्राउड. वेंडल रॉड्रिक्स को इस साल ऑनर किया गया विद द प्रेस्टिजियस पद्मश्री इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ आर्ट और राहुल मिश्रा को मिलान में मिला इंटरनेशनल वुल मार्क प्राइज. FDCI's विल्स लाइफस्टाइल इंडिया फैशन वीक ऑटम विंटर 2014 में दोनों ही डिजाइनर्स को उनकी अचीवमेंट्स के लिए सराहा गया और ऑनर भी किया गया.
It's a big thing for him, but actually it's a bigger thing for the fashion fraternity. Because 25 years nobody's taken us seriously by recognizing Wendell's work in handloom, in whatever he's done for the industry. He writes brilliantly. There are so many people he's mentored. So I feel this is the best award that should come to him.
One of the established designers has won the Padma Shri. Congratulations, Atul.
Great, lovely. I think it's great for the industry. It's a great honor for everybody in the industry, all the stakeholders. We're going to celebrate the moment along with Wendell for getting the Padma Shri.
और अब वक्त है for Person of the Week, यानी कि Page 3's Pow Wow, जो हैं FDCI के President Sunil Sethi and Atul Chand, the Divisional Chief Executive, Lifestyle Retailing Division, ITC Limited. Here's why.
पेज 3 के पावाओ हैं सुनील सेठी, जिन्होंने डिजाइनर्स को दिया प्लेटफॉर्म टू विन प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड्स और इंडियन फैशन को दिलाई है कुछ ऐसी पॉपुलैरिटी कि इंटरनेशनल डिजाइनर्स जैसे इमैनुअल अंगारो भी FDCI's विल्स लाइफस्टाइल इंडिया फैशन वीक ऑटम विंटर 2014 में शामिल होने पहुंचे.
This is the biggest honor for the Fashion Design Council of India to have Mr. Emmanuel Angaro and his wife and his friends to us at the India Fashion Week, at Will's India Fashion Week. We are privileged that somebody of his level has decided to come here not to support and see how the Indian fashion industry is going. The fact that Mr. Angaro loves India is good enough for us. But the fact that he now loves how the Indian fashion scene is emerging, I think that to us is a very big boost. Maybe he would like to say one or two lines to say what he has felt about the show.
No, what I feel really is such an enthusiasm here about fashion, about the fact that you're promoting young designers, you are helping them, you're doing a lot of things for them, and the organization here, because we have a genius here in this place, the fortune to have him is fantastic. I must say, I'm very impressed at what you do, what you did, and what you will do in the near future.
Another person of the week of page 3 is Atul Chand. एक से एक बड़े स्टार्स को करते हैं वो चूज फॉर द FDCI's Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week के हर सीजन में। स्टार स्टडेड फैशन वीक देता है मौका डिजाइनर्स को एक नई ऊंचाई पर जाने का।
I think we've been choosing the right people and it's been great for them, it's been great for us and great for the event, and I think that's where it all kind of sums up. And Wendell has done a terrific job. He's been an ace designer. I mean, he's extremely, well versed with his own craft, and I think that is what makes him already the person that he is.
From designer creations to makeup trends, you'll get all this and more at FDCI's Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week. So come back soon. अगर आपका फेस है ओवरवेट तो व्हाट इज द मेकअप टिप सुनिए एक्सपर्ट मिकी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर की ही जुबानी।
Just for normal day wear, what you do is you just use a darker color just below your original cheekbone, and then you make it lighter till you use a highlight on the top. That's what gives it a 3D effect.
और अगर आपका nose है not so perfect, so here is the trick.
The trick to this would be that you again contour the sides and make the center point with a highlighter and keep it strong, and yet at the same time blend the edges well, and that gives you a slightly more aquiline feel.
और अब मिकी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर बताएंगे how to enhance your eyes and make them shine bright.
Just curl your eyelashes, use 2-3 coats of mascara, and keep your eyebrows well groomed, and I think you've got it.
Well, ये थी FDCI के Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week Autumn Winter 2014 की सारी हलचल and highlights exclusively on page 3 only on Zoom. This is Simi Chandok signing off, but keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.